now to a 69 Dodge Daytona.
Let me start off by saying that my mouth got in front of my brain during that four-car preview because I mistakenly called this a Superbird. Of course, it's a Daytona, and it does have the V-code 440 plus the 6. Oh, no, this is a 4-barrel, looks like. So the 440 plus the 4-barrel.
Yep.
Manual transmission, which is very nice, and these are even more rare than the Superbirds. While the Superbirds are in the 1900 production range, only 503 Daytonas left the factory.
Good reason for that, because in 1969, NASCAR only required 500 to homologate the car. Then in 70, you had to build 1,000 of them. So they had to increase the arithmetic. This was sold new out in my neck of the woods, Greenville, Massachusetts, at Holland Dodge. A lot of paperwork with this, a lot of documentation. Yeah, that 440 is the base 375 horse Magnum. Boy, that was a workhorse engine for so many Mopar muscle cars. In fact, non-muscle cars for such a long time. It is a 4-speed car with the A33 Track Pak. And it's got all the stuff we love.
But you got a bid to get it off, of course. You never know. You want to try? You have any interest at 290?
Jamie, you want 290? Nick, you want
okay.
What? 285.
Okay, no problem.
200 and you're out now. 290.
All right, I'll
285.
You might remember earlier we sold that 1970 Superbird for 290, so we're right in the same ballpark here on the Daytona.
And much like the TA that we saw, which is the Arcuda's counterpart, this car, the Daytona and the Superbird, do not share any sheet metal at all. Completely independent models from one another, although they look very similar. Different shapes and sizes with the wing and the nose, and of course the body style as well.
290, 300,000. Hey Jim, where'd he go? Give 300. 290. $300,000.
95!
295, and we're going to get 300.
Chris, have you heard
300,000.
the debate about whether there actually were 503 of these built, that there was some sleight of hand, non-Daytonas were counted as Daytonas, and maybe less than 503. Have you heard that rumor, that urban legend?
I have not, but it would surprise me if maybe they threw in a couple of Charger 500s in there just to get the number over the homologation.
Yeah, the debate still
limit.
rages.
Yeah, and we saw a Charger 500 go across the block in Arizona. That's what this car is based on.
Wow, 295. So
yeah, for a
that
non-Hemi, non-six-pack.
Exactly, and that jumps over, leapfrogs the Superbird by 5,000 into the number 2 spot overall today.
I have 30, 40, 40, baby, you're going to get 50, 60. 60 again, 70, baby, you're going to get 80, baby, you're going to get 80, 90.